Hey everyone! Thanks for stopping by. This is Retro Fun Tech. So I have a quick little Christmas themed video for you. I have a few Christmas themed video games, they're all retro games, that I'm going to be playing, and I have a little story that I'm going to be sharing. So sit back, grab some eggnog and maybe some cookies, and we'll enjoy this together. And just to let you know that these games are in no particular order, nor are these games by any means the greatest Christmas themed games of all time. There's just a couple goofy games that I found, and maybe you have them on your handhelds, maybe you are able to play them some other way. And if you've ever played any of these, please comment below and let me know. "'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a joystick was stirring, not even a USB mouse. The cartridges were nestled all snug in their cases, in hopes that soon they would win F-Zero races. The consoles were arranged with meticulous care in a shrine-like display, a gaming affair, with Atari, Nintendo, Sega, and PlayStation, a retro gaming scene, a joyous sensation. The gamers were dozing, their dreams full of quests, with visions of power-ups and pixelated tests. Mom with her controller and I with my headset had just settled in for a long gaming session. When out on the lawn, there arose such a clatter. I sprang for my console to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and turned off Super Smash. The moonlight danced on my classic gaming stash, giving a glow to new cartridges I just bought with my cash. When what to my tech-savvy eyes should appear but a pixelated sleigh pulled by 8 tiny reindeer. With a seasoned-old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Gamer Nick. More rapid than Sonic, his coursers they came, as he whistled and shouted, calling them by name. Now Sonic, now Mario, now Mega Man and Pong! On Zelda, on Pac-Man, on Tetris and Donkey Kong! To the top of the screen, to the top of the castle wall, now dash away, dash away, dash away all. As pixels that fly on a screen in a game, when obstacles come, they burst into flame. Up to the rooftop, the coursers they soared, with a sleigh full of handhelds and Gamer Nick on board. And then, in an instant, I heard the sound of fingers smashing and jamming on their analog triggers. As I put down my controller and scanned the room, down the chimney came the retro gamer with a big sonic boom. He was dressed in jeans and a graphic tee, a classic gamer look, but his clothes were all tarnished from his quests and his loot. A bundle of games he flung on his back, old cartridges gleaming, no need to unpack. His eyes, how they twinkled, his reflexes so merry, cheeks rosy like Kirby, nose like a cherry. His droll little mouth drawn up in a grin as he assessed the gaming scene from within. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his loot, filling stockings with classics, a nostalgic pursuit. And laying his finger aside on his nose, he vanished like Luigi, as up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a cheer. Away they all flew, pixel trails in the rear. But I heard him exclaim as he flew out of sight, "Merry Christmas to gamers, and to all a good night!" So that concludes our little Christmas themed video. Hope you enjoyed my little take on 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. I made it myself. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, and if you've ever played any of these goofy Christmas themed games. I certainly haven't. Most of them are on Game Boy Advance, and what are some of your favorite Christmas themed games that I didn't show in this video? Let me know in the comments below. As always, please be sure to like, subscribe, and even share this video with somebody who needs a little bit of Christmas-themed retro fun in their life. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome, everyone, and go play some games.